over here in PyCharm, let's knock out the first pass on our initial game loop. Now, it's probably not going to end this way. We'll probably refine it and add some enhancements. But let's just get started in kind of the same way we have with other apps. So again, we're going to add our program.py file, and we're going to have our main method. We'll have our print header, as always. And in this one, we're going to have what I'm going to call a game loop. And in our main, let's just go ahead and say print header, and then we'll just run the game loop. And finally, let's use our PyCharm live template to call the main only if it's actually being executed rather than imported. So header's pretty standard as always, so just do this. Okay, standard header. Now let's focus in on this game loop we have here. So the concept of our game loop is we just want to go around and around getting input from the user until the game ends. So let's just start real simple with the concept of going around and around. And so we'll just say while true, and we're going to do some work here. First thing we're going to do is get some input from the user. So we'll call this CMD for command, and this is pretty standard. We'll say, do you attack, run away, or look around? Like so. And let's give the users hints on which they could do. So we'll say like attack, run away, or look. And then we have 4 basic outcomes here. One could be they actually said they want to attack. And let's just print out something so we can kind of test our little loop here. Then we'll write the behaviors. So if they say A, we'll say attack. Else if, so elif, if it's run away, we'll just print run away. If they're going to look around, we're going to print look around. And finally, if they hit something else and we don't know what it is, we'll just say, all right, you must want to exit the game. Like if you just hit enter with no command, that means you're gone. So we'll just say something like this. Okay, exiting game. Bye. So let's go ahead and run our app just to make sure everything is hanging together. Now no run configuration, so we know how to get that going. All right, so down here we can attack, we can look around, we can run away, or we can hit enter and we should exit. Now, whoops, it didn't really exit, we just printed exit. All right, that doesn't mean anything to Python, just that we printed exit. So we can exit out of this infinite loop by just saying break, and that'll come down here and basically run the next line, which is empty, and we're done. So look around, enter, exiting, perfect. So our little loop is running. It's time to build up the data structures with classes and objects. It's going to be great.